So Facebook first. It's Facebook business page. So over here on the left bar, right here on the left bar is my, yeah, it's mirrored. Okay, so when I look this way, I'm actually looking the other way. So over here on the left bar, click this down button where it says see more, click down, and then over here where it says pages, click that. Now, if you've never done this before, this is going to be blank for you. There won't be any pages on here, but as you can see, I've got little too many pages, and I help a lot of agents out with their pages because I want them to be successful. That's the whole point of eXp Realty. We're obsessed with agent success, so I want them to be successful. So over here on the left bar again, yes, over here on the left bar again, where it says create new page, click that button for me. Go ahead and click that button. And it's going to walk you right through the wizard. Right through the wizard. Those, what are they called? Those banners that we made for our personal Facebook page, for our personal Twitter page, for our personal LinkedIn page. Hopefully you went through and branded all of your social media the same. I really hope that you did that. You know what? I'm looking a little red on the screen. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Is that fix-it-any, or does that just make me look like a weird Halloween person? That does not look good. I don't like that. Let me try to adjust this. That's a little better. Nope, red, too much. I'll try to work on that next time. So it's real simple. Required page name, John Doe with eXp Realty. That's simple. That's simple, guys. If you're not eXp Realty yet, you haven't called me yet, we haven't connected, I haven't walked you through joining eXp Realty yet, put whatever other company name would be there. But put your name with your company, okay? That way you're compliant. Category, real estate agent. Real estate agent right there. And then bio, let me grab my actual bio real quick. Wow, that totally changed everything. God, I do not like the light. Sam I am. I do not like it on a boat. I do not like it in a plane. I do not like it with the goat. I will not eat those green eggs and turkey. So put your bio in there and be upfront with your bio. Be upfront with your bio. Like me, I put believer in Yeshua, Sabbath follower, because I don't work Saturdays, so I want to be upfront about that. I'm a father, and then I'm an Oklahoma Realtor member, because you're realtor, you're not a realtor, you're a member of an organization called the REALTORs. You know, they're a great organization. At eXp Realty. So that is what my bio says on my actual real page. You just saw me copy and paste it. But be truthful. Be truthful in that bio. And then some people too like to put their phone numbers. I would put a little emoji in there. And then I would put my phone number. And I always put my KV Core number, 8202. That way everything goes through KV Core. It's my hub. Everything goes through KV Core. So that's how I would do that. That bio looks a little weird there because it drops down, but oh well. I'm sure on the mobile it looks right. So then, is there a place to add pictures here? Nope. So I'm going to create page. If this page goes active, I'm just going to deactivate it real quick. So, name required. Look, it's invalid. We suggest John Doe with eXp Realty. Well, that's the wrong. No, I don't want it to be capital E because that's incorrect. Let's see if I can. It's not going to let me. That's not how you spell eXp Realty. It's doing that for copyright reasons. That's why it's doing that. So I'll just capitalize all of it. EXP. I'll just capitalize all of it. It should accept that. Yeah, that's because that's not the right way to do it, because eXp Realty has copyrighted lowercase e, capital X, lowercase p. So I hope you guys are enjoying this walkthrough step by step. I should really quit mumbling so much. Put your eXp website right there. So mine, I've got the upgraded one. Okay, learnmore.com. I've got the upgraded website right there. eXp phone number 405-369-8202, and then your eXp email address, Josh. I'm going to capitalize J, Josh Barnett at exprealty.com, and then location, whatever my office location is. I don't have it memorized. I have a rubber stamp that I use to put it on it, and it's in my email write-up, so I don't have it memorized. I just always go to the commission to find it. And then if you have selected hours, like if I'm only going to work real estate from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, put those hours in there, guys. Be upfront with the consumer. Yes, it's going to hurt you as a new agent at first. Yes, if you're not available all the time because you're in sales, remember, you're in sales, act like it, okay? It's going to hurt you. But if you have an established business and you're watching this to set up a Facebook account for the first time ever, then put your established business hours in there, okay? I don't work Saturdays. So literally all of my business pages have me off on Saturdays. But put your hours in there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put always open for an example right here, but it's not true because you shouldn't work Saturdays. It's the Sabbath. And I'm going to click next. See what happens. Man, I got to get a brighter light bulb in here. Add your profile picture. Guys, we just made those yesterday on the last video. So I'm just going to go over here and pick one that's not going to fit right. This would be the closest one to fitting right there. But this is for True Social. Yeah, it might fit right. Who knows? And then, oh, did I just do those backwards? That's the cover photo. Darn it. I think I just did those backwards. Add profile pic. Yeah, I did. So profile pic. Where is the profile pic? Right there. So all you're doing is clicking that button, scrolling through your computer's files, picking the pictures that you downloaded from Canva that we made on the last video. Okay, so that's how mine's gonna look so far. It's looking pretty good, right? Thumbs up. Looks pretty good, right? Yeah, absolutely. Best picture ever. Okay, it doesn't matter. Put a real picture up there. Don't use a fake picture. Don't use a computer generated AI picture. Okay, you don't want to show up to an appointment and them expecting someone who's 20 years younger and 20 pounds lighter. Use a recent picture, okay? Use a recent, did you hear me? Use a recent picture in your profile picture. Don't have a picture from 20 years ago, guys. That's weird. That's weird. There's so many people, so many agents that I've met and I've been like, oh my gosh. Is that you? Where's your granddaughter at? Or where's your grandson at? Because I was expecting someone like 20 years younger. Where are they? Okay. And then hit next and then page notifications. You'll want this stuff on. Okay. You'll want that on, but I'm turning it off because I'm going to go turn this page off as soon as I activate. And that's as simple as it is. Right there. Now you've got a Facebook business profile page. It's trying to make me go through the walkthrough. Not going to do that. But there, that's how easy it is. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, I've got to get a better light so I don't look all weird and fuzzy and stuff. I've got to get a better light. I know that. But if you enjoyed today's video and you found value in it, give the video a big thumbs up. Share it with any agent that you're working with who you want to have this awesome knowledge to. If the book's already out, mail them a copy of the book. Mail them a copy of the book. Yes, I get royalties off the book. That's why I wrote it. But also, it will help them become better agents. And if you help them, when you join eXp Realty with me, Jesse and Jackson, and we get you started in the Honey Badger network, and we get started with all the tools, the training, technology, and support that eXp Realty has, they can be one of the first people in your downline to join with you because of the value that you brought them by sharing this awesome content with them so they can take their business to the next level. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching tonight's video. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that I drop. I try to drop like 2 or 3 a month. I don't drop them as often as I should, but I do try to keep the channel current with some current information that I see while I'm out there selling houses and my team's out there selling houses. See you guys on the next video.